As the deep, dark fingers of winter descend upon our fucking throats to make us freezing cold, you gotta cook things that keep you toasty warm. So tonight, we are having lamb lollipops, pearl couscous with stuff, Moroccan-y kind of stuff. We have these little Frenched lamb cutlets, and I'm going to make them into lollipops. I've got some honey Dijon mustard. What I do is paint them. Now, why honey mustard? You may very well ask.
Why, Mum? Why are you using honey mustard?
Think about it. Why?
Because it's sweet and it cancels out the salty, or it complements the salty.
Well, it's more to the fact that I've got a Moroccan thing going on with oranges and almonds and dates, and I thought, honey? Oh shit, I knew I'd forget to do something.
Put the herbs in there?
Yeah, I really wanted to put some orange right in there. I'm going to do the rest of it. So that one is Charlie's. Oh, orange in the panko. Breadcrumbs is good. Pepper. Salt. Now look at the diff. You've got that nice little orange fleck through there.
So simple.
I know, right?
Did you even paint that one? That it was so simple?
I painted before. Fuck, I might get one right. Okay, let's start again. I've already done two, but I'm going to show you how I did it. So I paint the
Lollipop.
lamb lollipop
With honey mustard.
and then I press it in to the panko breadcrumbs seasoned with orange and salt and pepper. Why? Because it's Moroccan-ish. All of them are done, look at that. And I put them on this so that the air circulates around them so you don't get a mushy, whooshy bottom. I've got the oven on 210. I like them smacked, bang, pink in the middle. So crunchy outside, pink in the middle. 20 minutes. Let's get on to the couscous. What I have done before you guys got here is I got like one carrot and I chopped it up into little bits and I put honey on it and oil and sweet paprika and I roasted it in the oven because it was 210. I just put it in there at 210 for I reckon 15 minutes till they go like soft, like they're all sticky. So the first step of this, and I don't cook the pearl couscous like I would cook normal couscous. Oil. How's my potatoes going over there? Look, I'm not going to show you how to do those because I've done them before. They're mashed potatoes, so I'm serving the whole thing. Lamb lollipops, the couscous, smashed potatoes. They all work well together. Oh yeah, they're done. I'll put those in a minute. Shit, I really should put them in. Do you want a cut? Let's go. Onion, garlic. Thinly sliced, not smushed. What do we always do to the onions and garlic when they are cooking initially in the pot? What do we add to them, Alex?
Salt and pepper.
This is where I add the couscous. And I toast it. So that flavour from the garlic and the onion is actually soaking into the dry couscous. And then we do this. For this I'm using vegetable stock. You're going to ask me how much?
How much?
Till you cover it. See how it's all covered? And then I am still going to do like the old couscousy thing where you put the lid on. I'm going to toast the almonds. Thanks, honey. Toasty almond flakes. I am so loving, just saying, all those people that are sending me photographs of their recipes that they're cooking. Oh yes, the stock is all being completely absorbed. So this is where I turn the heat off and put the lid on. I've just toasted those to that point. Nice. Timer just went off on the lamb. So now I'm just going to put them in here to rest and keep warm. If you don't have one of those, that doesn't matter. Just don't cover it all in foil because they'll all go mushy. Just loosely cover it. So foil, but leave lots of air to get through. Next, bit of oil. This is my favourite combination, actually.
Oil, paprika.
Oh yeah. And chickpeas. Okay, look at this. Oh yeah. I love this stuff. Did you hear that?
Yeah, they're popping.
Yeah. That's what you want to hear. All right, let's just do this. Chickpeas with a bit of paprika. Carrots with honey and paprika. Now, almonds and raisins. Got to admit, that with a mouthful of lamb lollipop makes me emotional. So the last little bit of cooking. There we are. So let's give that a stir, that juice. See, it's just enough there to cook it that little bit more, warm up those raisins. Let's put the lid back on for a couple of minutes. While that's going on, I'm going to chop up this coriander. Don't peel the leaves off the stalks. I think we are ready to serve this.
Yay!
Sometimes I'm surprised my fucking self.